how to convert Facebook profile to digital creator. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. It's actually super easy to do. You just got to make sure that your app is up to date, of course, because it might not show up for you if you don't have it up to date. So just simply go to the App Store or Play Store, check if it is up to date, and then get back to this tutorial. In order to actually do this, is go to the menu at the bottom right corner and then click on your profile at the top. Now, right beside the Add Story and Edit Profile button, there are 3 dots where you want to click on. So I'm going to click on there. And then here at the bottom, you can see Turn on Professional Mode. Now, that is how you can switch or convert the Facebook profile to a digital creator account. So you want to click on there, and then this will show up. Now, this will give you a brief explanation on what it's all about, and then you can turn it on. Now, once it's turned on, it says finish setting up your profile. Now, for me, it says add a profile picture, add a cover picture, add your bio, because I didn't even have that before. And then add your website and social links, create new content, add details about yourself. Now, that is pretty cool, right? And then when I go back and click on my account again, Add Story is still there, but now this is changed to View Tools. So if I click on View Tools, you will be in a professional dashboard where you can see all the different tools. And it says it will also give you a professional mode guide where you can learn anything about it, creator support, where you have like some extra support with all the professional dashboard stuff, and your digital creator account. Because as you can see, it says details, profile, digital creator right over here, which is great. Now that is basically it. I hope this quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.